Is the waiver situation going to save OceanGate for what could be these 5 wrongful death cases, maybe 4, because one of them was the owner? Been getting a lot of questions. Hey, did they sign a waiver? The submersible, the sub that went down and exploded or imploded when looking for the Titanic. Well, now there's issues coming out regarding structural integrity of the submersible.
A letter to OceanGate and said, you have to certify. You cannot take people down. It's irresponsible, and it could lead to catastrophe.
Talking about that it wasn't certified. If these folks, when they issued or signed those waivers, didn't know of all these issues, likely lawsuits or litigation would survive. Waivers aren't an absolute defense. Most people a lot of times will say, hey, they signed a waiver. That's not how it works in the law. You have to know and understand what rights you're actually waiving. And it certainly doesn't get away from a negligent act or anything else that a waiver can't go that far. So waivers aren't an absolute bar to this type of conduct. When you start talking about something was inherently not safe, was that disclosed to the people getting on the boat? Did they tell this billionaire, his son, these poor other people that, by the way, the submersible may not have built right, it's not a certified vessel? Did they assume and take that risk of knowing these issues, or was it never disclosed to them and ultimately just a matter of time where something's catastrophic happened? Sometimes lawsuits have to be filed to ensure this never happens to anybody ever again.
Now there's one wreck lying next to the other wreck.